Hello, Febs. To all the women who have cheating husbands, come closer. Let me tell you what to do. Never you on any account, under no circumstance, cheat back on that cheating husband of yours. Yes, when you cheat on your husband, you will be doing yourself more harm than good. You will not be solving any problem. Rather, you will make things worse. You should ensure you do other things to solve the problem. But I advise you to play along. Once you discover and confirm it that your husband is cheating on you, first go to the nearest clinic, have a check on yourself, ensure that you are confirmed negative on all the tests on HIV and STI. Then ensure you get a famidon handy. Keep it handy. Okay, remember that I said you must play along. Pretend not to know. Do not go after that girl that he is cheating on you with, because that girl might be a victim of your cheating husband. Yes, many women fall victim of this cheating man. So do not think of going after the innocent lady, because she might be innocent. And peradventure, she isn't innocent. She's fully aware that your cheating husband is married to you, beautiful wife. Leave it. Karma has a way of doing things. There is no way she would escape from it, except she would decide to be single for life. Because definitely, I tell you, I can assure you, once that girl whom your husband is cheating with gets married, sevenfold, I can assure you. So don't worry, that girl isn't your problem. Okay, so play along, ensure you are safe, you are healthy. Okay, the highest thing you can do is write the name of your husband and that girl you think so. But I suggest you write the name of your husband, and underneath it you write my husband's name and the strange woman. Go to your godly altar. I didn't say satanic altar. Go to your godly altar, okay, and throw the name there. Then you see what will happen after 1 month. Call me and thank me later and tell me that it worked. But ensure you don't cheat back on your cheating husband. Neither do you go after the lady that your husband is cheating with. I remain your friend, Onye Ndoka. Remember to like and share this video. If you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to follow for more updates. I also have a new page, and if peradventure you see it on your wall, oni.mezinda.tv, when you see it or happen to come across it, know that it's genuine, it's from us. Also follow that page. Okay, see you next time, my lovelies. I love you, my people. Bye.